Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, January 22 to 25, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, we can see some relief across the Philippine Islands as the northeast monsoon is somewhat in a break, but it will return in the next couple of days, affecting the extreme northern parts of Luzon. So expect some busy conditions to return over extreme northern Luzon within the next 24 to 48 hours. Right now, we have a very weak low pressure area, or shallow one, over the Scarborough Shoal, together with embedded within a surface trough, and it will affect the Scarborough Shoal as well as the Kalayaan Island group. And we have a frontal system over the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands, so expect some cloudy conditions with some winds and some passing rain showers, as well as some thunderstorms within this trough. And the rest of the Philippine Islands will have sunny to partly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening in some selected areas. So watch out for some lightning strikes or possible flash floods or landslides, just in case severe thunderstorms affect your area. Particularly here over Mindanao, there are some areas which are conducive for some strong thunderstorms. Elsewhere outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight. It's all clear for the next couple of days. As we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the shallow LPA starting to dissipate as it interacts with the developing frontal system here. And if we look at our zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the developing thunderstorms within the surface trough of the shallow LPA. There is one here over the Pangasinan area, including La Union and Benguet area, where some strong thunderstorms are being observed as of this time. You can see here the Bicol region is having some good weather for the past 2 days now. So this is good news, since we experience back-to-back rainfall, strong winds from the northeast monsoon during the past 3 weeks, and we are having some good weather for the past few days, and it will extend until Tuesday. Expect some passing showers or thunderstorms to affect or to pass in some isolated areas of the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest from our zoom-in satellite animation. Let's take a look at our window.com rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days from the European model. As you can see, due to the return of the northeast monsoon, the northern portions of Luzon will be affected again by light to moderate or at times heavy rainfall brought about by the thunderstorms that will be generated, brought about by the northeast monsoon and the stationary front here, while the rest of the country will remain dry, except for some areas of Mindanao, Mindoro, Calamian group, where some showers and thunderstorms will be expected, and some light rains, passing isolated thunderstorms as well in some areas of the Visayas. So far, that's the latest from our window.com. This is the 3-day accumulation until Monday. Now let's take a look at our wind forecast from the American model. This is for the next 3 days until Monday. So tomorrow we have the return of the northeast monsoon affecting extreme northern Luzon, while the LPA here will start to dissipate. And on Sunday, the northeast monsoon will start to strengthen here over the Batanes, Babuyan group of islands, as well as the northernmost part of extreme northern Luzon. And on Monday, the winds will again weaken, and the prevailing warm easterlies will again set in over extreme northern Luzon, as well as the eastern sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Bicol region, Visayas, and eastern Mindanao, And that will be the prevailing easterly surface wind flow come Monday. Okay, so far that's the latest for the next 3 days. And we'll be returning again on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua boarding. Stay safe always. Be hashtag WeatherWiser, hashtag TyphoonWiser. Happy weekend to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.